Hey, did you know that if you go down to the Learn button on our homepage, you can find the whole week's activities? Usually I'll just post them one day at a time, so at first we have Monday. And when you click on the first lesson of the day, there's the link to our live meeting. During our live meeting, when it's time to switch to writing, I'll have you come back here and go next. You'll see the objective for our writing lesson today, which is I can choose a story from my identity web and begin writing by drawing the beginning, middle, and end of my story. You can see the amount of points that this lesson is worth, when it's due by, and then when you're done with it, you can come back here and press next again. And that'll take you to our math lesson. In our math lesson, there's another link for our live meeting, so you can just click on that and join. There's an anchor chart and our Nearpod right here. What's awesome about the Nearpod is you can come in and type in your name, and it'll take you directly to the Nearpod we're using for that lesson. You can do the same thing for science. So again, here is that link for our live meeting, and here is the Nearpod that we'll be using for that lesson. All right, guys, I hope that you thought that this was a helpful tip like I did, and I believe that this will make submitting assignments super easy in the future.